What's up, guys? Today, we're gonna be working on the Cadillac. As y'all know, pollen started popping up, and it's pretty bad down here in the south. And I've been neglecting Gramps for quite some time, so we're probably gonna wash it, wax it, and probably gonna throw some hub assemblies in it. I've got some issues with get up to about 60 mile an hour. Some really bad roaring starts happening. Well, it starts earlier than that. It starts about around 30-40 mile an hour, but it gets horrible at 60 and 65. So we're probably gonna do some rear hub assemblies, and let's get started. All right, guys, so what you're gonna need is of course you're gonna need a hammer. I grab all three extensions, half, 3/8, and quarter, just for, different reasons. Tighter spaces, you can just swap them out. You're gonna need an 18mm wrench. I like the little stubby one because it doesn't stick out as far. Some things get in the way, especially if you're not going to remove the whole hub and the spindle itself together. Pull handle for bolts that are tight, like extremely tight, and have Loctite on them. Of course, you're going to need a punch in case, like, the axle, once you get the axle nut off, it doesn't want to push out the spindle. You can tap it in. You're also going to want a 19mm socket, 18mm socket, a 21mm socket, and also a 34mm socket for the axle nut. And then this, a flathead screwdriver and a pry bar. There's a couple clips you have to remove to get the whole hub assembly out. And that's pretty much all the tools that I used to swap out a spindle. So in a few seconds we'll get started on showing you how to remove the whole spindle. Boom. That's how you take it apart without dismantling the whole spindle. As you can hear, there's a lot of crunchy going on. So most likely this is my core of my issues. So now everything goes back together with new parts. like with it being so tight space in here, I'm not gonna be able to get a torque wrench on it. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to go with the German torque spring. Good and tight. So there it is. So I'll put that together. All we got left is to put the wheel back on, and maybe we can do some sick burners. Always remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more. You thought I forgot the burnout?